Hello, I am Elena, and I'm feeling another push to vocalize whatever's flowing through. It feels like something needs to be shared, and so yeah, I'm just going to let whatever needs to come through flow through. It's very tied to the sacral I keep getting, and womb, which can be the etheric womb for men, because you have masculine and feminine, and it's an upgrade is what I'm getting for the times that we're in right now. It's supportive for just the sacral, and bring through more energy and flow through your body at this time, through the sacral energy and your sexual life force energy, and all that is, it's like, I'm just seeing it like moved out through the arms and feet for what's going to come through. So go ahead and hold your heart if you'd like, and just bring all of you back in your body, get centered, just with intention. And you can hold your heart, and I may have already mentioned that. But yeah, just take some deeper breaths as this flows through. First gonna start with some angelic sound toning, and then we'll see what flows through after that. And yeah, I'll just get started. Now let's just get connected with Gaia, where we imagine roots growing all the way down into her crystalline core, the grid of Gaia, where there is this connection coming through, and there's this land energy sound toning that is going to support you on whatever land you are. I'm getting the word stationed, like the place where you are at this time that you're hearing this and watching this. And so we'll just let those frequencies flow through. And I'm hearing just call in the Schumann resonance. And this is interesting. I'm hearing ask for a reconciliation to take place with the heartbeat of Gaia, so you can connect further and deeper in with her energy to get that support you need with these times. Yeah, it's like there's this very supportive heartbeat flowing through Gaia that is ready to support everyone that calls it in. And so yes, so just ask for that support to flow in, and for this reconciliation to take place with your energy and with the heartbeat. And what's going to come through next is also helping with the reconciliation. Okay, so this next part of this transmission is fast. I'm hearing like lightning speed. So yeah, it's gonna be fast. It's Orion light language, and it's going to help support clearing out all density that is ready to be released, and just ask your body to receive, because I'm getting some of you, there may be a bit of a block in receiving this energy. So yeah, just with the intention with your body allowing this in, it's going to be more flow and more exponential. And yep, so you can just continue to hold your heart, and if you would like to keep your eyes closed, you can, or you can have your eyes open. And yeah, I'll just let it come in. And then just take a deep breath. And then now we're going back to earth coding and some slow energy. Now I'll just let it flow. And take another deep breath in. And once again, make sure you're grounded. Strengthen those roots. And get centered and aligned in your entire central column, bringing you on axis and balanced. And even though this is at the end, I'm calling in sacred space for this entire transmission to take place for all time. And there's something, someone that is watching this may not be fully in their body, so I'm just getting your guides or be like, or like just suggesting, get all of you back in your body, just call it in for your body to receive you to be fully in. For your spiritual, your soul self. There we go. And it's interesting. What else? Okay, there's a little bit more light language that will help the soul that is watching. So I'll just let it flow. Okay, so I'm getting it may be a little uncomfortable for you to be fully in your body because you're not as used to it. So just call it in for this discomfort to show you all you need to see about it, and then you can let go, and then you'll be more fully in your body. Okay, and then that was sisterhood. And now there's brotherhood. Someone that is watching this that is male, there's also some light language for you. So yeah, I'm just gonna let it flow, and you'll know, it'll land, and you'll be like, okay, that was for me. I shunk hank and tom but and ampok and the and on ya hey kan cake ampokoto ya henka onko oka at the anna tatum ya hey a ho ya hey a inko ho ya hey ke oko oka anna eko oka helm but at the day ho shaka anto oto ya hey a hey ko onko ya hey a hey ka onko and ank and look and on ya he ko pa ana on to ok ank ho ya he ko en la anko o se la he ko o shaka ana te ko et no shahna ya ko ok ayala pokoro se at ko And go ahead and take a deep breath. That was quite a transmission. And okay, so with that, there we go. It's like I'm getting, there's this, that is a gift for you, and with so much love. And yeah, it'll land smoothly and gently, and you'll feel it, and you'll know it's for you. What is what I'm getting. And yeah, it feels like that is complete. Just seeing if there's anything else. Okay, so with the heart, call yourself back into your heart energy. Let your heart guide you. And instead of the head is what I'm getting. Like, obviously the thinking and the ego is very supportive for us, but sometimes it's like it overrides and takes over. And so it's like, get into the heart, and yeah, allow your heart to guide you, and just have that intention to be shown how to move through your heart's desires versus your head's. And yeah, okay. So that was really interesting. I really didn't know what was going to come through, and I didn't know what certain individuals would be singled out for a special healing for those that end up watching us. So yeah, just call it in and let it land smoothly. Yeah, and back to the individual that is male that will see this, a lot about that light language, I kept getting, get into your sovereignty, get into your sovereignty. And so it's just like, yeah, recognition with that for you. And yeah, it feels complete. I'm gonna be offering sessions soon. And yeah, I'm just like getting things together for that, getting a booking page for those that are interested in more, because with the sessions there can be a lot of magical things that happen with clearing and then bringing more of you in, and more understandings and lots of light language likes to flow through as well. And yeah, the sessions can be really amazing. So yeah, I'll as soon as I have everything together, I'll put it together and do another video with announcements of doing sessions. Anyway, thank you for watching, and you can always come back, by the way, if you need like a pick-me-up. This energy it's still gonna be very supportive no matter what time you watch it. So yes, enjoy.